Hi, this is Sierra from Art and Affirmations by Sierra. Today I'm bringing you a art journal spread in my mini handmade art journal. Um, I was inspired by a quote, a nature quote, and so I grabbed kind of nature inspired colors, and up at the top you'll see a couple flowers. I did some watercolor fodder flowers that I wanted to use in this spread. I did those yesterday for my art time. And so you'll see here, put the color down, add some doodles, add some marks with Posca pens and Uniball gel pens, and just have fun exploring and creating and seeing what wants to come out, inspired by the quote that you'll see as you go. I hope that you enjoy watching this art journal spread of mine, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if you just want to say hi, if you want to leave any comments are welcomed and appreciated, and I hope that